Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to use set magnitude functionality in Mesh Morpher. Set magnitude, it actually multiplies the morph target, so it will make it much visible if you select a higher value or less visible if you select a lower value. Let's see how this works out. First of all, we will create a new morph target and we will name it test. Let's open it, and for the sake of it we have the move tool selected with the symmetry enabled, and let's just create these basic horns, and that's it. Let's save it, and let's open skeletal mesh previewer. We can see here how it looks like, and now we can go ahead and change the magnitude. Let me reopen this mesh and let's set magnitude. We will select the magnitude of 3. This means that the morph target will be 3 times more powerful than what we created, if that makes sense. Let's press OK. The magnitude has been changed, and let's save it. And let's open up the skeletal mesh preview and check what happened here. You can see the morph target is much more visible, and the horns are much bigger than what we initially created. This is it for this video. I hope it helped you, and see you around. Bye.